5 minus 5 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, but we also have a multiplication operator present in between, and according to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over addition or subtraction. So what we need to do is we need to solve this multiplication first. 5 times 5, that gives us 25. Our expression becomes 5 minus 25 minus 5. Now we have two subtraction operators present here, but we should work from left to right. So we need to solve this left side first. So 5 minus 25, that gives us minus 20, and minus 20 minus 5, that gives us minus 25, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.